Over the years, your driveway will start to show the signs of age, caused by harsh winters, extreme temperatures, and the wear and tear of everyday life. But Rust-Oleum has the perfect solution for you, the EPOXYSHIELD 3X Driveway Sealer Plus. It's so easy to apply. You'll see a new driveway emerge right in front of you. This pristine black finish will be ready within a few hours of application, and you'll be able to drive right onto it. Now, your driveway will be protectively sealed for the next 5 years. And that's not all. You can refurbish your garage floor to look like a showroom with the EPOXYSHIELD Garage Floor Coating System. The application is made to be so easy. You can even customize the look with these decorative chips. And in only a few days, you'll have a showroom surface to drive onto. The EPOXYSHIELD 3X Driveway Sealer Plus and the EPOXYSHIELD Garage Floor Coating System by Rust-Oleum.